What if one bike could handle your daily commute and still take on rough trails without hesitation? The 2026 Honda XL250 is built to do exactly that. Welcome back to Ignite Wheels, where passion meets performance. Today, we're looking at a dual sport machine that brings back simplicity, reliability, and true go-anywhere capability. Design. The Honda XL250 features a clean and functional design that reflects its dual-purpose nature. It's tall, lightweight, and built for versatility. The minimal bodywork, high-mounted fender, and comfortable seat make it equally ready for city streets and off-road paths. Its rugged styling keeps things simple while maintaining a classic appeal. Performance. Powering the XL250 is a dependable 250 cubic centimeters engine designed for smooth and efficient riding. It offers a balanced mix of power and fuel economy, making it ideal for everyday use. The lightweight frame improves handling, while the suspension setup absorbs bumps with ease, whether you're navigating traffic or tackling uneven terrain. Features and technology. Honda keeps things practical with the XL250. You get a simple digital display, reliable braking system, and fuel-efficient tuning. It's not packed with advanced electronics, but that's part of its strength: easy maintenance, long-term durability, and a straightforward riding experience. Conclusion. Overall, the 2026 Honda XL250 is a versatile and dependable motorcycle that stays true to its roots. It's perfect for riders who want a simple, capable bike that can handle both daily rides and weekend adventures. If you enjoyed this review, share your thoughts in the comments. Would the XL250 fit your riding style? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ignite Wheels for more exciting and honest bike reviews.